Welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. How are you all dear students? Fine? Okay. So students, we will continue with our math subject and we are learning chapter number 2, that is numbers up to 100. And in the last period we have learned how we can build up the numbers from 51 to 70, and also we have learned the number names. So for the numbers we are going to read in this period. Okay, so take out your saffron textbook everyone. Sit straight, sit erect, take pencil in your hand. Ready? Okay, so students, in the last period we have learned till 80 तक हमने learn किया. Okay, now what comes after 80? 80 के बाद क्या आता है? क्या आता है 80 के बाद? What comes after 80? Yes, it comes what? 81. What comes? 81. Understood? So, see, in 81, how many tens are there? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. Okay, how many tens? 8 tens. In 80, 8 tens will be there. Okay, so if now you have only one bead is there. So how many tens? 8 tens. 1 what? 81. How much? 81. Understood? Now if here 2 beads are there, how many? 2 beads. So 8 tens, 2 ones, 82. How much? 82. If here 3 beads are there, then 8 tens, 3 ones, 83. How much? 83. Understood? So like this you can form the number from 81 to 90. Sorry, 81 to 90. Yes, means till 89 you can form like this. 90 it will come different. I will show you. So here first see 8 tens, 1 1, 81. Next here now how many tens are there? 8 tens, 2 ones, 82. How much? 82. Next 8 tens, 3 ones, 83. How much? 83. Next 8 tens, 4 ones, 84. How much? 84. 8 tens, 5 ones, 85. 85. Next 8 tens, 6 ones, 86. How much? 86. Next 8 tens, 7 ones, 87. How much? 87. 8 tens, 8 ones, 88. How much? 88. How much? 89. And here on tens place 9 is there, on ones place nothing is there, so 0. So how much it is? 90. How much? 90. Okay, so say the number names with me. EIGHTY 80, ONE 1, 81, EIGHTY 80, TWO 2, 82, EIGHTY 80, THREE 3, 83, EIGHTY 80, FOUR 4, 84, EIGHTY 80, FIVE 5, 85, EIGHTY 80, SIX 6, 86, EIGHTY 80, ACVEN 7, 87, EIGHTY 80, EIGHTY 8, 88, EIGHTY 80, NINE 9, 89, NINE TY 90. Okay, understood? So in this way you can form. So students, now tell me, after 90 what comes? Yes, what comes after 90? Correct, 91. What comes? 91. Understood? So in 91, how many tens and how many ones are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. Okay, 9 tens. How many? 9 tens are there. 90 में कितने tens होते हैं? 9 tens होते हैं. Okay, so this 9 tens and here only 1 1. So how much? 91. How much? 91. If suppose these are 2 bits, then 9 tens, 2 ones, 92. How much? 92. If here 3 bits are there, then 9 tens, 3 ones, 93. Understood? So in this way you can build up. Now here we will write in tens and ones. How many tens are there? 9 tens, 2 ones, 92. How much? 92. Next, 9 tens, 3 ones, 93. How much? 93. 9 tens, 4 ones, 94. How much? 94. 9 tens, 5 ones, 95. How much? 95. 9 tens, 6 ones, 96. How much? 96. 9 tens, 7 ones, 97. How much? 97. 9 tens, 8 ones, 98. How much? 98. 9 tens, 9 nine, 99. How much? 99. Okay, so till 99 they have given here. Now students, see on the next page. Wait, this I will erase. So this 100 means after 99 what will come? After 99 what will come? 100. How much? 100. So in this 100 how many tens are there? जैसे 90 में 9 टेंस होते हैं, वैसे 100 में कितने टेंस होते हैं? 10. Okay, 10 tens means 100. Okay, see 100 or 100 has 10 tens. 100 में कितने टेंस होते हैं? 10 टेंस होते हैं. देखो 1 10, 2 10, 3 टेंस, 4 टेंस, 5 टेंस, 6 टेंस, 7 टेंस, 8 टेंस, 9 टेंस, 10 टेंस. ये सब एक मिला के कितने होते हैं? 100. How much? 100. Okay, so in this way you can build up the numbers from 91 till 100. Understood? There 100 is not there, but then 2 don't write anything, just say after me. Say NINE TY 90, ONE 1, 91, NINE TY 90, TWO 2, 92, NINE TY 90, THREE 3, 93, NINE TY 90, FOUR 4, 94, NINE TY 90, FIVE 5, 95, NINE TY 90, SIX 6, 96, NINE TY 90, SEVEN 7, 97, NINE TY 90, EIGHT 8, 98, NINE TY 90, NINE 9, 99. Okay, and last HUN here, HUN DRED 100. Very good students. Okay, so we have learned and formed the numbers from 51 to 100. Understood?
And representing it on abacus. A pictorial representation of 100 is shown here. 10 tens make 100 or 100. The abacus representation of 100 is illustrated here.
One more time.
A pictorial representation of 100 is shown here. 10 tens make 100 or 100. The abacus representation of 100 is illustrated here.
See students, earlier abacus means you know. Abacus मतलब आपको पता है. Abacus यानी क्या? Yes, it is a tool on which we represent the numbers. It has two rods. How many? 2 rods. One is of tens, one is of ones. Okay, abacus ये क्या है? ये एक टूल है जिसपे हम नंबर्स रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. उसमें कितने रॉड्स होते हैं? 2. एक टेंस का और एक वंस का. ओके, सो टिल नाउ, फाइन, टिल नाउ अब तक 2 डिजिट ही नंबर थे हमारे पास. हाउ मेनी? ओनली 2 डिजिट. नाउ वी हैव लर्न द नंबर्स टिल 100. हाउ मच? 100. देखो 99 तक 1 से लेके, सॉरी आफ्टर 9 till 99 we have 2 digit number. 10 is also 2 digit number. Fine. So till 99 2 digit number is there. After 99 comes 100. What comes? 100. So in the abacus now there will be 3 rods. How many? 3 rods. First 2 digits were there, so only ones and tens. Now 3 digits will be there, so 1 place is increased, that is 100. Understood? That is 100. समझ में आया? एक नंबर बढ़ गया ना यहाँ पे. What? And what is the place value? इसकी प्लेस कौन सी है? 100. इसलिए abacus में भी एक रॉड बढ़ जाता है. So from 100, whenever you are representing the number, you have to take the 3 lines. Understood? See, 99 means here on tens 9 are there and here ones also 9 are there. So 99 plus here on the ones place only 1 bead is there. So it makes 100. And 100 you can represent as 1. Means there on the 100 place. Understood? समझ में आया? Okay. Now look in your textbook. My fun time. What? My fun time. Manjeet wants to make number strips from from 61 to 70 and 91 to 100. Make a beautiful number strips using different colors. Okay, see, Manjit wants to make number strip. What? Number strip. Number strip यानी पता है ना आपको, जिसपे numbers होते हैं. Okay, so he wants to make number strip from 61 to 70. How much? 61 to 70 and 91 to 100. How much? 91 to 100. So you have to make the number strip by using different colors. Understood? So here colors, now it is not there with me. So if you have colors with you, you can color it and write the numbers. Understood? This you can do it afterwards. Now here, my practice time. What? My practice time 1. Question first A. Color the numbers and their number names in the same color. नंबर और नंबर नेम हमें दोनों भी एक कलर में ही कलर करना है. ओके, सो ये फर्स्ट इज विच नंबर? 9 to 92. Where is 92, dear students? Is it this? No. This one? No. Is it this? Yes. NINETY 90. TWO2 92. Understood? So this 92 and this you have to color in same color. Okay, color the numbers and their number names in same color. ये दोनों को भी एक ही कलर यूज करना है. Now here what you do, if now you are not having the number कलर्स, अगर कलर्स नहीं है आपके पास तो आप ऐसे ज्वाइन करके रखो, फिर बाद में आप क्या कर सकते हो? कलर कर सकते हो. सेम कलर है बट. नेक्स्ट 7 to 72. What? 7 to 72. So where is 72, dear students? 72. So 70. Where is 70 and 2? Is it this? No. Then this one first? No. Then is it here? Yes. So join this 72 till here, so that afterwards you can color. Fine. Next 80. कहाँ है 80? Here. Fine. 100, 100. 100, 100. So where it is? 100 or 100? Same. So where it is? Yes, it is here. Near only. So you can join. Fine. Next 64. Where is 64? Here. So you can join from here to here. मैं क्यों join कर रही हूँ? क्योंकि मेरे पास अभी नंबर्स कलर्स नहीं है और आपके भी पास नहीं होंगे, इसलिए मैंने ज्वाइन करके रखा है. वापस आपको क्या करना है? ये मैचिंग नहीं करना है, सिर्फ कलर्स सेम कलर्स से फिल करना है. ओके. नेक्स्ट 64 डन. 56. What? 56. Where is 56? Here. So you can take from here till here. Understood everyone? समझ में आया? Fine. So do it. Do in the textbook. Do it fast. Finish? Okay. Remember children, afterwards you have to erase and just you have to color. Now turn the page. See. Write the number names. Now we have to write the spellings. Okay. 5, 8, 58. So what will be the spelling? F-I-F-T-Y 50, E-I-G-H-T 8, 58. Okay, right. Next 99. So write here 99. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90, N-I-N-E 99. Next 71. So what will be the spelling? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70, O-N-E 71. Okay. Now next 3 to 32. What? 32. So write the spelling. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30, T-W-O 32. Next 66. How much? 66. So write the spelling. S-I-X-T-Y 60, S-I-X 66. And here what is there? 100 or 100, both are same. So you will just write 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Okay. Come on, write it in the textbook. चलो लिखो टेक्स्ट में. लिखो टेक्स्ट बुक में 58, 99, 71, 32, 66, 100. Come on, write it. Don't do spelling mistakes. Copy the spellings correctly. लिखो जल्दी. 58, 99, 71, 32, 66, 100. Okay, wrote students. Next, match the following. Now students, here they have given the numbers. यहाँ पे numbers दिए हैं और ये numbers को यहाँ पे उन्होंने tens और ones में divide किया है. Okay, they have given in tens and ones. So you have to join the numbers to the tens and ones. Okay, 5 to 52. Now in 52, how many tens and how many ones are there? 52 में कितने tens और कितने ones होते हैं? Yes, 5 tens 2 ones होते हैं, है ना? तो कहाँ है 5 tens और 2 ones? देखो कहाँ है? Yes, on the third place. So just join here. Fine. Next, 6, 7, 67. So in 67, how many tens and how many ones are there? Yes, 6 tens and 7 ones. So where is 6 tens and 7 ones? कहाँ है? Come on, let us see. Yes, it is here. So join this. Okay, do it. Come on, do it fast. Join it properly, first to the third and B to 4. Next, 9, 4, 94. Okay, so 9 tens and 4 ones. Where you can find? Let us check. Is it this? No. This one? No. Is it this? Yes. So do it. Next, 100, 100. Where is 100? 100 or 100? Both are same. Where it is? Yeah, it is second. So you can join this to here. Fine. Very good. Next, 8, 8, 88. 1 is only remaining. So 8 tens and 1 1. 8 tens and 8 ones. 88. Understood? Come on, do it. चलो जल्दी से करो. Join third to last, D to second and E to first. So students, in this period we have learned how to build up the numbers from 81 to 100. Okay, and also we have learned the number names and we have started with our practice time 1. Few questions we have solved. Remaining few questions we will be solving afterwards. Okay, till then bye bye everyone, take care.